Good afternoon, this is Joe Peterson with MarineMax Clearwater, here today to show you our 2015 Hurricane 217 Fun Deck trade-in that we have. This is a very versatile combination runabout style boat along with a fishing style boat too. You have a very attractive sandstone colored hull, red boot stripe, powered by a Yamaha 150 4-stroke. Very nice and shiny stainless steel prop. You have a telescopic ladder off the back end of the boat. There's your ski pole, also on the transom, with your optional pull-out shower. Stepping aboard the boat, you'll see the contoured L-shaped seating in the back. Very comfortable to seat 4 or 5 people to enjoy a nice ride when you're cruising the intercoastal. Double wide captain seat here, flip up bolster. Does have your Lowrance fish finder. This engine actually with the Yamaha 150 only has 67 hours on it. Boat's in excellent shape. As you can see, the upholstery is flawless. This also has a porta potty to make the women and the girls happy. You have a nice wide area up front in the bow for lounging also. Down in the floor, you'll have one of the biggest ski locker storages you'll find. You can actually put your rods down below there too. They also have their table for a cockpit table. Optional front seat for fishing. Also your bait well in between the seating. Large, actually it's an extra large 3-bow frame Bimini top for sun protection. This boat really does a little bit of everything. Great cruise boat, fish boat. You can ski, just run the intercoastal with the family and have a great time with it, doing a little bit of everything that the family always likes to enjoy. Again, this is Joe Peterson with MarineMax of Clearwater. If you'd like to see the boat in person, our number is 727-637-7649. Come see the boat here at our showroom. Thank you.